Today I will show you how to calculate 2.06 square minus 0.94 square. How to calculate this? If you calculate this traditional way, you multiply this, then minus this, then the value is, so this is the long process. If you use the formula method, you know a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. This is the a square, this is the b square, this is the a square, this is the b square. So now 2.06 plus 0.94 into 2.06 minus 0.94. So now you plus this, so get this, and you minus this, so you get the 1.25. So now you into this, so get 3.36. Easily, that's the answer. So easily you can calculate this, the short method, if you use the formula this. So thank you for watching the video.